Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to explore one of the world's most expensive spice, saffron. In the next few minutes, we'll use our senses to learn some useful information about saffron. We hope to answer some of the basic questions you may have, such as what are the health benefits of saffron, how to choose saffron, and the best ways to use it. Let's start with the visual aspect of saffron. The color of saffron is bright red due to a series of chemicals called crossin. Crossin is bright red as a solid but yellow in solution. When you put saffron in warm water, you get yellow solution. The intensity of the color of saffron indicates how much crossin it contains. The quality of saffron can be judged by its color. Crossin has been shown to have antioxidant properties due to its long conjugated double bond system, which means it can help protect the body from damaging caused by free radicals, which can contribute to aging and physiological disorders. When you smell saffron, it has a distinct pungent aroma that is floral, honey-like, and slightly metallic. This aroma comes from a volatile oil in saffron called saffron that contributes about 70% of the volatile fraction in saffron. Due to its low boiling point, if you use saffron as a spice, it is usually recommended to use it in the late stage of your cooking process. It is interesting to note that fresh stigmata has no smell because saffron exists in the form of pickerel crossin, which is resistant to releasing saffron. The smell appears during the drying and storage stage of saffron. Saffron is an aldehyde, which means it possesses strong antioxidant activity. This property inhibits not only the production of free radical oxygen, but also pro-inflammatory cytokines in many different animal models. So it contributes to both the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory property of saffron. If you chew saffron, it has a slightly bitter but also sweet and earthy flavor. This unique flavor makes it popular as a spice. It is from pickerel crossin. Pickerel crossin is a precursor of saffron, which we mentioned before. It releases saffron during drying, storage, and cooking stage. Crossin and saffron are the most up-to-date active components under continuous study. Due to the great antioxidant effects of these saffron compounds, saffron is beneficial for fighting aging, inflammation, depression, and cognitive disorders such as Alzheimer's disease. There might be a synergistic effect of all the bioactive components that give saffron those health benefits above. However, there is a lot of research to be done because the vast majority of scientific findings derive from in vitro and animal in vivo studies. There is a limited number of clinical trials for saffron extract carried out up to now. Saffron has been used as a spice for thousands of years and has been proven safe in various studies. Generally, doses up to 1.5 grams saffron daily are considered safe. However, it is important to note that saffron is an expensive spice and purchasing large quantities can be costly. For instance, I got this 1 gram package of saffron from Costco for about $11. Saffron is expensive not because it is hard to grow, but because it is hard to collect. It is extremely labor intensive as it must be hand-picked from the flowers. To produce just 1 pound of saffron, it takes approximately 75,000 flowers. Many people take saffron for its mood-enhancing benefits such as fighting depression and anxiety. From various depression-related studies, the optimal dose for efficacy appears to be 30 mg per day. One thread of saffron is about 6 mg, so to get 30 mg dose, you need about 5 threads. It is important to store saffron correctly to preserve its aroma and efficacy. Saffron is an antioxidant and can easily oxidize when exposed to air and heat. It is best to store saffron in an airtight container in the refrigerator. This means purchasing large bags of saffron is not recommended, and it is best to keep a small amount for use and seal the rest in the refrigerator. Saffron is gaining attention for its potential health benefits. If you haven't tried it yet, give it a taste. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Have a great day.